Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the proper safe way to run and flush your 4-stroke Kawasaki using this STX 15F as an example. The first thing you need to do is locate your flush fitting and attach a garden hose quick disconnect to it. The flush fitting on most 4-stroke Kawasaki's is located under the hood near the left front of the ski. I highly recommend that you clear your garden hose of excess debris before hooking up to your ski. Garden hose disconnects make connections easier, and a water supply shutoff valve close to the ski helps to prevent your engine filling up with the water if your ski happens to stall while running. Once you have the water supply hooked up properly to the ski, the next step is starting the ski up with the water supply off to be sure it idles smoothly and it will stay running without you holding the throttle. When you feel confident the ski is running smoothly and idling properly, you should turn the water supply on within about 15 to 18 seconds or before the exhaust gets too hot to touch. The three places you are going to see water coming out are the piston port, the jet pump nozzle, and the exhaust outlet last. You should see a pretty good steady stream of water coming out of the piston port, and the temperature should not be too hot to touch. When checking flow out the back, you should see a steady stream of water coming out the nozzle and some water out of the exhaust port. If you are needing any of the products shown or mentioned in this video, don't forget to check out my description or products on the video for links to all of the items I use and recommend. When you rev the ski on the water hose, you will see a higher volume of water coming out of the nozzle and out of the exhaust because revving the ski will blow out the water box. When you flush your Kawasaki ski, about 3 to 5 minutes is a sufficient amount of time to do it right. If you run your ski in salt water, you should be using a product like Salt Away to help treat your cooling system and prevent corrosion. You can also use Salt Away to rinse your engine bay and whole jet pump to prevent corrosion buildup. When you run your ski on the hose, it is a good idea to inspect your cooling hoses and to check the whole system for leaks. Now that we've run the ski long enough to flush out the cooling passages, you must follow the proper order when shutting everything down. It is very important to turn the water supply off first because water hose pressure is considerably higher than the pressure that comes in naturally from the pump at low RPMs. Once you turn the water supply off, the first stream you'll see drop off is the piston stream. Then you'll see the water flow slowly stop at the nozzle and exhaust port. In order to clear the excess water in the water box, it is a good idea to rev the engine once or twice to blow out the excess. Just be sure to shut the engine down immediately after so you don't elevate the engine temp and trip an overheat warning. Now that the water is off and the engine is shut down, it is time to disconnect the water supply. Don't forget to reinstall the flush port cap. Now I'm going to show a quick recap of the whole procedure from a different view so you can follow along. If you follow these steps in the proper order, you can have peace of mind knowing you're doing it right the first time and every time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please smash the like button to support us and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.